What about California's three strikes law? Tens of thousands of Californians have been caught in the net of the state's controversial three strikes law. Although it was sold to voters as a way to put dangerous criminals behind bars for life, 65% of those sentenced under the three strikes law committed non-violent offenses. California's three strikes law dictates that serious or violent felony convictions each count as a strike. The list of serious or violent offenses is lengthy. Felony manslaughter, rape, aggravated assault, robbery, and even burglary count as strike offenses. Individuals with 2 prior strike convictions can be sentenced to life in prison for a third felony conviction, even if the third felony is a non-violent offense. Any felony will do. Because of this, individuals, and some of them homeless, have been sentenced to life in prison for stealing food or toiletries. The third strike doesn't have to be a serious or violent offense. Remember, any felony will suffice. Under the three strikes law, your punishment for a non-violent felony conviction can be doubled merely because you have a single strike on your record. For example, someone with a prior felony burglary conviction, which is a strike, who's facing 3 years in prison for a drug charge, can be sentenced to 6 years in prison because of the prior strike offense. A Romero motion is one method your defense lawyer may use to try to protect you from the excessive punishment of a second or third strike conviction. A Romero motion is a request to the court to challenge one or more of your prior strike convictions so that you can avoid the harsh consequences of the three strikes law. In some cases, the court will strike a prior conviction from consideration in a second or third strike case if your defense attorney demonstrates just cause and that the interests of justice would be served. Of course, the most effective way to ensure that you can avoid the consequences of a third strike is to avoid getting convicted at all. At the Kavinoky Law Firm, our aggressive and experienced defense lawyers analyze every aspect of the prosecutor's case against you to determine whether evidence was improperly obtained, whether police followed correct procedure when obtaining and executing search warrants, and we do anything and everything we can to prevent a conviction. If you or someone you care about needs a lawyer to help with a three-strike case or any other, call us right now for a free consultation. Our toll-free number is 1-800-NO-CUFFS, as in, get those handcuffs off of me. 1-800-NO-CUFFS is 1-800-662-8337. Call 1-800-NO-CUFFS today or check us out online at nocuffs.com.